What do you think a comprehensive financial solution should contain? Is it just insurance and investment, or should combine all factors such as cash flow analysis and debt structure with insurance and investment management? Will ICICI Pru Cash Advantage Plan provide you with a comprehensive financial solution by taking into account all the above factors? In this video, let us dissect ICICI Pru Cash Advantage Plan and find out whether it is worth the hype. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ICICI Pru Cash Advantage Plan is a non-linked participating life individual savings product. The main features are life cover for the entire policy term, choice of paying premium for 5, 7 or 10 years. The payout term commences immediately after the premium payment term. Guaranteed cash benefit throughout the payout term of 10 years. Guaranteed maturity benefit at the end of policy term. Next, let us see the benefits in detail. Death benefit on the death of the life assured during the policy term, irrespective of the guaranteed cash benefits paid, the following benefits are payable to the nominee. The death benefit is the highest of sum assured on death plus bonuses, or guaranteed maturity benefit plus bonuses, or minimum death benefit, that is 105% of total premiums paid. Next, guaranteed cash benefit. It is payable in advance throughout the payout term. It can be received in monthly or annual installment. It is a percentage of guaranteed maturity benefit. 1% of GMB for monthly mode and 11.5% of GMB for annual mode. Next, maturity benefit. Maximum of guaranteed maturity benefit plus vested revisionary bonus if any, terminal bonus if any, or 100.1% of total premiums paid less guaranteed cash benefits received. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of ICICI Pru Cash Advantage Plan. Advantages: cash benefits are guaranteed at regular intervals. You can avail of a loan up to 80% of surrender value. Next, disadvantages: accrual of cash benefits is not allowed. This leads to a chance of utilizing the cash benefit for discretionary expenses. The cash benefit and maturity benefit are rigid. One cannot reschedule based on the requirement. Next, to estimate the potential return, let us work out the internal rate of return. ICICI Pru Cash Advantage provides regular cash flow through cash benefits and lump sum benefit at maturity. But only a part of maturity benefit is guaranteed, as it includes bonuses. Now let us estimate the potential returns. Figures are taken from ICICI Pru Cash Advantage Policy Brochure. A 35-year-old male opts for ICICI Pru Cash Advantage Plan for a sum assured of Rs 10 lakhs. The policy term is 20 years and the premium paying term is 10 years. The annualized premium is Rs 1 lakh. From the 11th year to 20th year, he is eligible for a monthly income benefit. At the end of the policy term, he receives the maturity benefit. The illustration assumes two future returns, 4% per annum and 8% per annum. The returns shown in the illustration are not guaranteed and they are not upper or lower limits. He is eligible for a monthly guaranteed cash benefit of Rs 5,307 for the next 10 years. The maturity benefit varies depending on the bonus rate declared. At the 4% scenario, the final maturity value is 7.66 lakhs. The IRR calculation for the 4% scenario results in 2.60%. The final maturity value at the 8% scenario is 15.94 lakhs. The IRR calculation for the 8% scenario results in 5.87%. The IRR for this plan is lower than inflation. In the long run, especially after 20 years, the final maturity value will not be helpful to meet the inflated cost of your goals. Also, down the lane, the cash benefit will lose its purchasing power. Neither cash benefit nor maturity benefit is beneficial under ICICI Pru Cash Advantage Plan. Now let us compare the calculated figures with other investment products. For comparison purpose, let us assume the same figures as seen in the previous benefit illustration. The sum assured is Rs 50 lakhs, the policy term is 20 years and the premium paying term is 10 years. For these metrics, a pure term life insurance policy will cost you Rs 8,700. So you will be left with Rs 91,300 per year for investment. With this investment amount, we need to look for regular income and maturity benefits. During the first 10 years, the chosen investment vehicle is used to accumulate the required corpus. Here it is ELSS fund. The pre-tax value of ELSS investment is 17.94 lakhs. After the payment of capital gains tax, the post-tax final maturity value is 17.16 lakhs. Refer to the calculations given here. Invest Rs 17.16 lakhs in a 7% investment return so that you can have a monthly withdrawal of Rs 5,307 for the next 10 years. This arrangement is to match the cash benefit under ICICI Pru Cash Advantage Plan. The final investment value at the end of the policy term is withdrawn fully to match the maturity benefit, similar to ICICI Pru cash advantage plan. This arrangement leaves you a maturity value of 22.11 lakhs. The table clearly shows that in this alternate investment, you get a better IRR. All the criteria like life cover, cash benefit, maturity benefit are met. At the same time, the returns are higher than the inflation rate. Even you can have a step-up withdrawal to cope up with the inflation. ICICI Pru cash advantage is lacking to cope the inflation in the long run. Next is our final verdict on ICICI Pru Cash Advantage Plan. It is a protection-oriented savings plan. You pay a premium for a limited period and start receiving the regular income during the policy term and lump sum income at the end of the policy term. The cash benefit is guaranteed, but the maturity benefit varies based on the bonus declaration. The cash benefit cannot be deferred. Also, the cash benefit term is fixed, that is 10 years. This leaves you with no other option other than receiving the cash benefit for 10 years. This may sometimes end up in utilizing the money for discretionary expenses. If you invest separately for life goals, you will have better liquidity. Flexibility and liquidity are missing in ICICI Pru Cash Advantage Plan. Also, the return analysis is not satisfying for a long-term investment. It is better to have a diversified investment portfolio based on your financial goals. This allows you to design your cash flow to meet the goals as and when due. Apart from this, have a pure term life cover to protect your family from uncertainties. To design your personalized investment planning, consult an investment advisor who will guide you the best in process. A detailed review of ICICI Pru Cash Advantage Plan is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.